Welcome to techthali.org video tutorial. In this video, we will have a quick overview of Software Development Life Cycle, Sdlc. At the end, we will compare the process difference between Waterfall and Agile. Sdlc is a model to create software systems. It is a step-by-step approach, consisting of various phases. Let us look at some of the examples of Sdlc. They are Spiral Model, Iterative Model, and the most popular, the Waterfall Model. The highlight of Waterfall Model is it has a simple approach, and the process is sequential in nature. However, it comes with a set of disadvantages. The process is not flexible. They are strict and not customer-friendly. The process is prone to bottlenecks and delays. The rigid process can lead to delayed delivery. Now let us quickly go through the high-level process involved in the waterfall model. It starts with a requirement analysis phase. The objective is to collect all the requirements up front, document it and get it signed off by the customer. Any changes after the sign-off has to go through a change control process. The next important phase is the design. Here the design for the whole application is evolved, captured and documented. The input to it is the requirements document. Once the design is over, it will be reviewed, and customer has to approve it via a formal sign-off. The next step in the process is coding, where developers will write the code based on the design. The output of this process is a working software, ready for testing. The next step is testing the working software. There will be multiple levels of testing, which include QA, user acceptance test, etc. Once the testing is over and customer is satisfied, there will be a formal sign-off to deploy it in production. At the completion of all these phases, customer will get the software for use. It is a long wait, and the option to change the requirement based on business changes are very expensive. Now let us see how the Agile process will help the customer to eliminate all the disadvantages in Waterfall model. The Agile process consists of multiple iterations. In each iteration, customer will identify the high priority requirements for the development team to work. The team will understand those requirements, perform design and coding. The software is then made available to the customer after testing. This completes one iteration. Each iteration delivers a usable software for the customer. By the completion of one iteration, customer will come with the next set of features to be addressed in the next iteration. The customer has the flexibility to change or reprioritize the requirements for each iteration based on the changing business environment. In this process, software development happens in an iterative manner. The biggest advantage in Agile is customer can start using software after the completion of first iteration. They also have the flexibility to change, readjust the requirements based on business demands and feedbacks. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it if you liked it. Please drop a comment if you have any suggestions for improvement.